this guy? I don't know. Beats me. Let's try to get him over there. Right. Alright, we got him. Let's bring him to our home, Saddles. Yeah, let's go. So, your name's Arnold? Mm-hmm. And you don't come from around here now, do you? No. I don't know where I'm from. Ooh, that must be harmful. It's okay. I can endure it. Well, if you want, you can stay here. Really? No. You mean it? Mm-hmm. Awesome! Alright.